In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy fields from one form to another in Jotform. If you manage multiple forms, recreating the same fields again and again can be time-consuming. Jotform's Field Manager makes this easy by letting you copy existing fields from one form straight into another, keeping your setup consistent and saving you a lot of clicks. Start by heading to Jotform's Field Manager app. You can find it on Jotform's website under Integrations or by using the direct Field Manager link. Once you're there, click Open App. You'll be prompted to log in to your Jotform account if you aren't already. After you sign in, the app will ask for permission to connect to your account. Click Allow to connect so it can read your forms and manage fields for you. Next, choose your source form. This is the form that already contains the fields you want to reuse. Think of it as the From form. Then choose your destination form, which is the To form where those fields will be copied. Selecting the right forms here ensures the app knows exactly where to take fields from and where to place them. On the left side, you'll see the fields from your source form. Select the fields you want to copy. You can pick a single field or multiple fields depending on what you need. This is helpful if you want to bring over a full section like contact information, product lists, or any standardized blocks you use frequently. The Field Manager will carry over the field labels and most settings, so your newly copied fields match your original setup. Once you've selected the fields, click the Copy to Other Form button, indicated by the arrow pointing to the other form. Sit tight for a moment while the app processes your request. You'll see a success message when the copy is complete. That message is your confirmation that the fields have been transferred. Right away, those fields will appear in your destination form. This copy process targets fields only. It doesn't move existing submissions or other form level settings. It's designed specifically to help you reuse the structure of your form. If you use custom options or required settings, those will typically carry over, which makes standardizing your forms much faster. And that's all there is to it. Using the Field Manager app, you can quickly copy fields from one form to another, keep your forms consistent, and reduce repetitive work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your Jotform workflow.